we all know that how to add, subtract, multiply and divide using very big numbers. We have also done, and we are doing these operations separately, not in one problem, right? So sometimes we use two or more operations, or like two or more of the four operations in one sum. Okay, now look at this example here, like 9 minus 6 divided by 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1. Now look at this. Over here in this example, we have subtraction, we have division, we have multiplication, we have addition. All four operations we need to carry out in one problem. Okay, so we need to carry out, when we need to carry out all four operations in one problem, we have to follow the rule. Okay, there's a rule which we have to follow to find out the correct answer. If you are not going to follow the rule, then you will get different answers. All right, if you are going to do subtraction first, division, if you're going to do in this sequence, 9 minus 6 divided by 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1 के पहले माइनस आ रहा है, आपने पहले माइनस किया, फिर डिवाइड किया, फिर मल्टीप्लाई किया, फिर प्लस किया, you will get wrong answer. Okay, so we have to follow the rule, and for such type of problems the rule we have got is Demas rule. All right, Demas. We got three different answers if you're going to do three different solutions. So to avoid that, we follow the rule, and that rule or convention we can say is the four operations rule, and which is called Demas rule, which is DMAS. All right, this Demas rule we follow. In Demas rule, we start with D starts for division first. Okay, then we do the multiplication second, and third we do addition, and in the last we do subtraction. All right, these rules we have to follow, and this rule is like makes it simpler for us to solve these types of problems. Okay, this rule is going to make it easy for us to solve these type of problems, and we can also call it simplification rule. Okay, and to remember this rule, we can also say that do musicians always sing? Do musicians always sing? All right, so this is the Demas rule that we have to follow, and further I'm going to explain you that how we are going to use this rule in solving our problems. All right.